In this lesson, I'll teach you the 11 unique phrases used in Gramatik's Break Loose. Between all these phrases, they all turn out to be fairly similar. Phrases 2, 6, 7, and 8 are used consecutively. Together, they should sound like this. For some of those phrases, the notes might sound funny because I'm using my voice to project through the saxophone, and we call that growling. So I encourage you to give it a shot and hum with your voice while you're playing. Now you know the 11 unique phrases to Gramatik's Break Loose.